Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Listening Stories. I'm Leo, your friendly English coach, and joining me today is my good friend Anna. Hi, Anna.
Hi, Leo. Hi, everyone. I'm Anna, your English buddy for today.
Let me ask you something. What if you could have a teacher who never gets tired, never sleeps, and is always ready to help you, day or night? Sounds cool, right?
Wait, you mean a robot teacher?
Exactly. Today, we're talking about something amazing, learning English with AI. AI means artificial intelligence. It's a smart computer that can talk, listen, and even teach you English.
Wow, that sounds like magic. But how does it really work? And can AI actually help me speak better English?
Great question, Anna. That's what we'll find out together in this episode. So, my friends, grab your notebook, open your mind, and let's explore how AI can make your English learning fun and easy. Our goal is simple: to help you learn real English for real life, step by step, word by word.
And today, we're not in a classroom. We're going digital. We'll learn how to study English using AI, like chatbots, translation tools, and smart apps.
Yes, and don't worry, we'll keep everything simple and clear. Ready, Anna?
Ready. Let's start our English plus AI adventure.
Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, make a cup of coffee, and open your phone. Instead of scrolling through social media, you open an app, an AI English chatbot. You type, "Good morning, how are you today?" And guess what? The AI answers, "Good morning, I'm great, thank you. How are you?"
Wow, that feels like talking to a real person.
Exactly. You can chat about anything: food, hobbies, travel, or your plans for the day. If you make a mistake, AI can correct it politely and give you the right sentence.
That's amazing. It's like having a patient teacher in your pocket.
Yes, AI doesn't laugh at mistakes, and you can talk to it anytime. It's perfect for shy learners who don't feel confident yet.
Okay, Leo, I love chatting with AI, but what about vocabulary? Can AI help me learn new words?
Of course, you can type something like, "AI, teach me 5 words about food." The AI will reply, "Here you go: bread, rice, soup, fruit, and vegetables." Then you can ask, "Please make a sentence with each word." AI gives you examples, and you can repeat after it.
Oh, so it's like an English dictionary that talks back to you.
Exactly. And you can make it fun. Ask AI to make a quiz for you or play a guessing game. "Give me a word. I'll try to guess it." It keeps your learning active, not boring.
I love that. No more falling asleep while studying.
Now, let's talk about one of the hardest skills: speaking.
Oh, yes. Speaking English can be scary.
True. But here's the magic part: AI can talk to you with voice chat. You say something like, Hello, can we practice English conversation? And the AI talks back to you.
Really? So I can practice anytime? At home? In the car? Even in bed?
Yes, anytime. You can practice introductions, travel conversations, or restaurant dialogues. And here's a tip. Record your voice and compare it with the AI's pronunciation. You'll quickly notice where you can improve.
That's so helpful. And if I say something wrong, AI can tell me how to fix it, right?
Exactly. No judgment, no pressure. Just practice and progress. Now, let's learn some easy English phrases you can use when studying with AI. 1. Can you correct my sentence? Ask AI to fix your grammar. 2. Give me 5 new words. Learn vocabulary in small steps. 3. Can you explain this in simple English? Great for beginners. 4. Make a short conversation about travel. Practice real-life topics. 5. Let's talk for 5 minutes. Build a daily speaking habit.
These are great. You can use them every day to make your English study easy and fun.
Okay, my friends, it's your turn now. I want you to try this small challenge today. Open your AI English app or chatbot and write, "Hello, I want to practice English with you." Then have a short 3-minute chat. Use some of the phrases we learned today.
And if you want, you can also write 2 sentences in the comments. I practiced English with AI today. It was fun and easy.
Exactly. Remember, practice a little every day. Small steps make big progress.
So today, we learned that AI isn't just a robot. It's your personal English friend.
That's right. It helps you chat, learn words, and practice speaking anytime, anywhere.
And best of all, it never gets tired.
So what are you waiting for? Start learning English with AI today. You'll be surprised how fast you improve.
Thank you for joining us on Daily English Conversation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English episodes.
And remember, with English and AI, you can learn smarter, not harder.
See you next time, my friends.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.